Well, welcome back to Channel Run. Today I'm going to talk about green screen with Powerdirector. I know this much about green screen, but back a bit, I got a comment asking me if I could show a little bit about that. Well, I don't know enough about that, but then I got to thinking about, they just want to know the basics. So you know what? I can show you the basics of what I know with a green screen using Powerdirector. Thanks an awful lot for the comment. I do read your comments. Sometimes it's tough to answer them all. I like doing it this way because this is a little bit more personal. So I hope this kind of explains a little bit on how to use the green screen with Powerdirector. So let's go ahead and get started. Once Powerdirector is open, you're going to go ahead and you're going to find your green screen object. And in this case here, it's going to be me and my Jeep. So it just shows me kind of sitting in the Jeep. Now, if you're doing a dual screen, like I said, you're going to be able to see much more of this, but recording this is kind of tough. So as you can see, I'm kind of inside the Jeep there. Then you're going to need your object. Now, I just happen to have some stuff here of me driving the actual Jeep, so I'm just going to kind of grab a piece of that. You might want to turn your audio down. You don't need the audio. You might put that in a little bit later. So I'm going to go ahead and shorten this up, bring that down right about there, call it good. And then all you need to do is double click on your green screen object, which is myself in the Jeep. And then you're going to scroll over here on the left and you're going to come down, you're going to see chroma key. Click on that. Go ahead and grab this little eyedropper here and come over. And what I try to do is try to find a balance. As you can see, I've got some lighter and darker shades here. So I'm going to kind of click on this right here. It looks pretty good. And as you can see, the object that I was recording actually driving the Jeep, it comes up automatically. And you'll see that it's kind of a little green in here, a little bit right around in there. And you can adjust that over here, the color range. Just kind of adjust it a little bit. And you can get a little bit more sophisticated with this one down here. Take a little bit more of the green out. You're going to have to play with it a little bit. Then go ahead and say OK. And it will go ahead and compile it. There we go. And there's my green screen. So if I run this, you'll see that the green is now being replaced by the actual me driving the Jeep. And I'm inside here. You can see here, and it kind of just give the illusion that you're driving. Again, if you have the dual monitor, this is going to make it so much easier for you to see because we're actually missing a lot here. But the whole idea is just to show you how to do the green screen. Very, very basic. And that's all there is to it. So as you can see, I'm using a dual screen here, so it makes it much easier than just watching and trying to view your project up in the small corner of the screen. So get yourself another screen and it's going to make things a whole lot better. Well, thanks an awful lot for the question, and I hope this helps you with your green screen, and we'll see you next time.